With programs that set students up for success from the moment they step on campus to the day they graduate, PV High presents unique opportunities for each and every student.
Whether it's classes or extracurriculars, here at PV High, this is where memories are made.
I think that the most fun in high school is just being involved, whether that's going to sports games or just events.
Aside from all the fun, PV High knows how to put pen to paper, creating the perfect balance between extracurriculars and academics.
The leadership skills that I've gained here are being patient and being able to communicate my ideas. I've learned that from the older guys here, and I want to preach that to the younger guys.
Working as a group, they really helped me with that, on and off the field, especially in class. One leadership thing that I've learned was definitely confidence.
Our alumni have created their careers right here at PV High from the ground up and continue to utilize the skills they've learned on campus and bring them into the real world, while still remaining connected to their fellow teachers and students.
I think that the teachers at Palos Verdes High School, they really care about the well-being of their students. They take it multiple steps further than just the lessons they teach in the classroom. So I'm now 5 years out of PV High School, and I still have amazing relationships with all the teachers.
While over 90% of students here at PV High choose to attend some type of college after graduation, PV High also offers extensive post-secondary opportunities that students can explore as they enter the college process. And it all starts right here in our College and Career Center.
We're looking at what a student really wants to do after their time here at Palos Verdes High School. Some students want to join the military, some students want to look at vocational, technical plans. Then the vast majority of our students are looking at four-year college degree.
For me, Palos Verdes High School gave me an opportunity to explore lots of different things and to try out lots of different programs.
I did use the College and Career Center a lot. That gave me so much information about so many different schools. They had college visits where representatives from different colleges would come and speak to students. PV High brought those resources to me, so I wouldn't have had that opportunity had it not been for the College and Career Center.
I can't put my finger on it, but there's truly a bond between anyone that goes to Palos Verdes High School. And it sounds really crazy to think of, but it really is true. There is such a strong support network and alumni network.
So it's up to you, Sea Kings. Here at PV High, we can guarantee you'll feel connected to everything and be a part of something.
It's no doubt that PV High is where you belong, and we're sure that here, you'll rise with the tide. For Palos Verdes High School, I'm Charlotte Cicero.
I'm Ben Jorgensen. We hope to see you here next fall.